Hello， 大家好，欢迎来到我的频道。又到了甜点时间，今天呢要和大家分享的是饼干，是麦片饼干，英文叫做 oatmeal cookie. Okay, so here are the ingredients that we need for oatmeal cookies. So we need 3 cups of quick cooking oats, 1 cup of unsalted butter softened, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of ground cinnamon, 1 cup of, this is brown sugar, and half cup of white sugar, and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And here is the ground cinnamon, which we need 1.5 teaspoons. And here is 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So let's get started. Cookies will taste good, right?
Yep.像你在玩那个冰淇淋。
Yeah. Caramel ice cream. 有吗？
有。
对，等一下我们就是这样子，然后等一下你可以再帮忙。等一下就是这样子，在那个。然后轻轻的压一下 ，OK， 这样子，沾一点点 flour， 轻轻的压一下，会吗？
会。
helper。